morning from a very wet and raining Zhangjiajie, or actually Wulingyuan. We're going to a national park today, but it's pouring rain outside, as you can see. So we're all dressed up in our raincoats. We're real Chinese people already. Yeah. Look at my shoes. They're so funny. I love it. But if it works, I'm really happy with it. I'm probably going to be filming most of the stuff today on my action cam because it's water resistant, so this camera is probably going to die if I film too much. So yeah, let's go explore. Okay. We're on a little sightseeing trip. Doing it the Chinese way without any walking. As bad anymore. But I'm still pretty cold. We just found out it's 2 degrees Celsius, so yeah. And inside the McDonald's it wasn't any warmer. Let's go find a bus to get us to the cable car. It's time for our last attraction of the day. We're going on the cable car. And that's gonna take us all the way down back into the valley where we're staying. And then you just go into the clouds. I think all we're gonna see is just white. We're in the cloud.
Zijn niet alle data.
Oh look! I see a mountain.
Oh yeah.
We're about to leave our hotel, but I just quickly wanted to show you what this room looks like because it's so cute. This is our bathroom. I just really love it with the concrete and the sink. It's so nice. This is our room. 2 beds. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
A TV. This little tray. It's just lovely. It is the Yinshi guest house, and it's near the Wulingyuan entrance of the national park that we visited yesterday. It's just, let me show you. Like they have a really nice terrace here, but it's raining still. But yeah, so if you ever come here, make sure to stay here. It's also, I don't know why, but they also use the name Hidden Homes. So, I guess it goes by both names. We made it to the ancient town of Fenghuang. And this is our guest house right behind me. And it's in this cute alley. And we were really happy that the owner told us, whoop. Okay. We're really happy that the owner told us to let the taxi driver call her, because we would definitely have not found this on our own. But she came to pick us up from the taxi and then she walked us over here. So that's good. And now we're going exploring the ancient town of Fenghuang. I know, right? It's cold. It's cold. We left our gloves in Beijing, or in Shanghai actually. But yeah, stupid decision. so freaking cold in our room. And we've got the heating on. 27 degrees. We're still freezing. The only spot is warm. It's right in front of the heating. Okay, but we're gonna go out for dinner. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing like tights, jeans, and like a thermal t-shirt, and then another long sleeve t-shirt, then a sweater and a coat, and I'm still cold. This is not okay. Good morning. We got a little sleep in, and now we're just walking around for a little bit before we're catching the bus. We only have like 20 minutes, but we thought it would be a waste to sit in the hotel room, so we came out to the riverside.